Hey, so I finished the Mandalorian model kit. I figured I'd show it off a bit. It comes with some weapons, his rifle, his little blaster, and his dark saber, and the spear too. Yeah, I feel like he turned out pretty well. Got a cape. And a jetpack. I feel like he turned out really well. He's got stickers to like the metal parts of his buckle. That's actually a sticker. Some of the Beskar stuff that's just 3D printed. But yeah, he was a lot of work, a couple hours to put together. But yeah, I was pretty satisfied by this product. Seems stable and decorative, and you know, I got it as a gift as well. So there's that. Well, I think that's all I really wanted to talk about. So I'll see you in the next video.